Welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks. It's my first video as Mrs. Dummy Tech Talk. This is Axel. He's our Roborock S7, and I'm gonna show you today how to change the battery and replace the roller on it. So stick around to find out how to do that. Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead and replace the battery. So you wanna locate, there's 6 screws on the bottom, and you want to go ahead and remove them so that way we can get to the battery underneath the shell right here, because the battery sits right here. Now we have all of the screws off, so you're able to just lift that up. Ew, that's gross. That's really gross. Can we clean this?
Yeah, of course.
This is the life of having 2 long-haired, very sheddy dogs. Okay, so we found the battery. And you just have to pull up on these 2 tabs, and then you have a clip. So it clips down here, and that's where you have to unhook it from. Here we go. Now we have it detached. And in the replacement box, we have a little cleaner tool, a screwdriver. That's so cute. It literally fits right in for the screws. And we have a new battery. This one is red versus orange. So now we just go ahead and replace it the same as we did taking it out. You might need to, there it is. It went in the hole at least. Okay, so you want to clip it in with the clip facing towards the inside of the battery component, and then you just push it back in. And my husband has had this Robo Vacuum for almost 2 years before needing to actually replace the battery. But lately it has not even been able to finish 1 room before it needs a charge. So it was definitely time to replace that. Now we're gonna go ahead and replace the roller, and that's super easy. Just lift it out and then put the new one in its place. And so on each end, they have different ends, and you want to put the square end in this side. And then just replace the cover. There we go. The roller has been replaced, the battery has been replaced, and now let's put it back together. All right, now all the screws are back in place, and your Roborock S7 is now ready to go ahead and continue cleaning. Okay, so you now just watch me go ahead and change the battery and the roller, on our Roborock S7. Let's see if he'll turn on. He's turning on. But we might need a little charge. So if you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share the video to all your friends. And don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when we put out new videos. Alright, well, we'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna go put him on charge so we can get back to cleaning our house.